Hey Valley Middle, tonight we're going to be using the distributive property to multiply mixed numbers. The distributive property is a really important mathematical concept that comes up all over the place, especially in 6th grade mathematics. So something we need to be familiar with and be able to use and apply in a variety of different situations. When I first looked at this worksheet, I thought, this is kind of an easy worksheet because we're just multiplying a fraction times a whole number. But then I looked at it more carefully. It challenges you to use the distributive property to do that. I'm going to work through two examples with you. First of all, a quick review of the distributive property. The distributive property says that 2 times a quantity of 2 plus 3 can be rewritten as 2 times 2 plus 2 times 3. So I can take the 2 and say 2 times 2 and then add it to 2 times 3. I can distribute out the 2, the multiplication. Okay, got that? All right. Now, take a look at this next problem. We have 2.5 times 6. It doesn't look like the distributive property unless you think about 2.5 as 2 plus 1/2, and that's really what it is. So when you have 2 plus 1/2 times 6, it looks like the distributive property. It is the distributive property. So I can take 6 times 2 first, and I get my 12. And then I can take 6 times a half, 6 halves, and get 3. And I get a total of 15 here. 12 plus 3 is 15. Go ahead and you could put it in the calculator, 6 times 2.5. That's what you're going to get. You could convert this into into an improper fraction. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5 halves. Take 6 times 5 halves, you're going to get 30 halves. 30 divided by 2, you're still going to get 15. Well, we use the distributive property to solve it rather quickly. So take a look at this one here. We have 8 times 5.5. So that's really 8 times 5 plus 1/2. So 8 times 5, we've got 40. What do you think 8 times 1/2 is? Yeah, 4. So 40 plus 4 would equal 44. So some of those you can do in your head. Some of the ones that might be a little bit harder, you may have to jot a quick note over here in the edging, like if you're going to be multiplying 24 quarters or something like that. Here's 2/3. Go ahead and feel free to use the margins to do some of those quick calculations, but a lot of times you can work them out in your head. I think you're going to like this, and I think you're going to learn something. Thanks for listening. Have a great night. See you in class.